Blessings to you today, and we're going to be putting on my spoiler today, so we're going to have a good time. Let's get to it.
And we are back. My name is Pastor Ken, and I thank you for coming. For this project, we have Permatex adhesive sealant and two types of 3M tape, one small, one thick. The reason being is because I did not want to poke holes in my trunk, so we're going to go about putting this spoiler on without putting holes in the trunk of my car. So first things first, we're going to start cleaning the spoiler with some all-purpose cleaner. Get it nice and clean, get all the oils out of it, and then we're going to start taping. I used the thinner tape on the outside all the way around, and then I used the thicker tape in the middle, and where the holes were, where the screws supposed to go, I put a big piece of tape on each one of those as well. Okay, once I put the tape on and I got it all the way around, the thin on the outside, the thick in the middle, it was time to put the Permatex on there. And once I put the Permatex on there, that adhesive stuff is very, very messy. I advise anybody that's using this stuff to wear gloves because it is a very messy job. Okay, my next step after that was to very carefully take the spoiler outside. I put it upside down on the back of the trunk, and I start peeling off all of the tape. Peeling off the tape was kind of tedious because you were trying to peel these little pieces of tape off without getting the Permatex all over your hands. So it was a very tedious and arduous thing to do, but it had to be done. Yes, and once I finally got all of those little strips of the tape off, then I was able to flip it over and press it into place. Yep, and at the end of the day, the spoiler came out looking awesome. I love it. It's great, and it only cost me $30 on Facebook Marketplace. Wow! So I'm very hyped about it.
Well, the car looks great. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if this is the type of stuff that you like to see, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for all the latest things that we're doing on this channel. We're going to be doing a lot of things on this channel, so please subscribe, and as always, stay cruising with Christ.